Hey guys, as many of you may know that I am a software engineer and most of my time is spent like coding 8 to 10 hours. And in fact, most of my clients are from USA. So what happens is that I'm usually working at my night and sleeping at day. And to work during the night, it is really important for me to have a good lamp. So I mean there are other lights as well, but during the night, especially late night, those lights start hurting you, like in your eyes. You don't want to get a lot of light in your eyes. It doesn't feel good. So a focused lamp in that case is really helpful. So a lamp that you can customize its lights, lamp whose settings can also be customized as per your needs. For example, its warmth or how cool its light is going to be. A nice lamp is the one that allows you to control the temperature of your color, like from going from cool temperature to the warm, so mostly blue, to the yellowish tint. And then obviously the brightness control. These are all important features. And because I am a tech guy, a software engineer, so I'm obviously interested in forward looking devices that can be controlled using HomeKit of Apple, or Google Assistant, or home application of Google, or any other application of that manufacturer. So at least something like that should be there. So I use a lamp. The lamp that is of my choice, it's made by Xiaomi and it's called Xiaomi Lamp Pro. I really like it. It's aesthetics design, so I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So let me bring it up. So this is the lamp. As you can see, it's made of really fine material. This is all metal on this piece. So when you pick it up, you really feel the weight of the metal. And the angles are adjustable. The finish is really minimalistic. Everything like really looks good. You can adjust the angles, and the movement is really smooth. There is no sound of any kind. You can move it from the base, as you can see, or you can move it here. You can move it from this part, and then obviously you can move it from this part. And this is the focus part, as you can see. I really like its design. It looks really good when sitting on the table, and obviously it has all the smarts that I was looking for. So let me turn it on and show you how it looks. So let's plug it in. Single press turns it on, and with this knob you can control the brightness of the lamp. So it's really dim at this point, as you can see. If you keep rotating it, you get to the highest point, the peak brightness. And if you press it and then rotate, then you can control the temperature. See, this is the cool, this is a warm. So you can control the temperature. You can see it's bright and not its light is focused, it's bright enough. And it has all the controls that you're looking for. And on top of that, it has smarts like reminding you when to take a break, and candle mode and other modes inside the app. Let me show you this app working with the HomeKit of Apple first. So I have my iPad here, and I have already obviously integrated this lamp with Apple HomeKit. So I long press the icon of the app, and then this pop-up appears. Let me actually increase the brightness a bit. You can see this pop-up. You can control the brightness, and you can control the temperature from here, this wheel. As you can see, you can go to cooler tones. It's up to you. So all the smart behavior is here. This is the one with the Apple's HomeKit. And if we go to on the Google side, it can this lamp can actually be paired with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. So all the integrations are here. And on Android side, I can for example open their home app, and I have all the controls here: on off here, brightness from here, color temperature. This is the warm, I can design my custom mode as well. Then there are scenes for reading and computer work. So for example, this is the computer mode, this is the reading mode. So it peaks the brightness. If you go to computer mode, it dims it down because you don't need the focus light. But for reading, obviously you do need it, so it amplifies the light to maximum. And then there are other features as well. And all these features can be controlled with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant as well. And yeah, this is the lamp that I use during my hours of work, and I wanted to share it with you guys as well to see how everyone feels. Let me know what you think. Take care.